Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use AI mode search in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. If you come into the home interface, to the rightmost top in the search bar we'll be having the AI mode option. If you cannot see it, make sure that your Google Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. So to check that, click on these three dots, go to help and select about Google Chrome. If you are having any updates, it will update and relaunch. Mine is up to date. So now, as you can see, we are having this AI mode. If I go here and search anything and hit enter, this will go on as a normal search. But if I search something and click on this AI mode, this will be directly searched as a AI mode search rather than going into the normal Google search. And apart from this, here also we are having the AI mode, and apart from this you can directly click on this AI mode that is appearing over here. You'll be directly taken to that AI mode page. Here you can ask using your voice and upload some files or images or even create images. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.